going on, guys? Trucker Bowman here. Now, I haven't posted a video in a couple days. Still driving, still delivering. Put in a little over a 500-mile day. Ain't too bad. If you can't tell by my voice, I've been pretty sick last couple days. Still working though. It's part of the life of being a trucker. I got a couple videos that's going to be featuring truck wash. I did that yesterday. Guess I should have checked the weather. Rookie mistake. Today it was raining. So of course, truck got super nice and super clean. Got turned around and got right, messed up again. It is what it is. That's how it goes. I'm going to be doing a couple other videos here coming up pretty soon, and a couple other episodes I'm going to be doing explaining e-logs. I know that there's some, obviously they're mandated now, so for the most part people are pretty familiar with them. I did paper logs for quite a while. I do prefer paper logs. I ran legally. I ran the same with paper logs as I do with this e-log system. It was just a little more convenient sometimes, depending on certain situations, and where you could have used an extra 15 minutes, without DOT dinging you. I'll be going over that. I'll be going over the Qualcomm as well. That's what I use. It's a super easy system, man. I believe probably out of any system out there, it's going to be about the easiest one to use. I'll be going over that. I'll be going over some pre-trip stuff, post-trip. I know that there's a million other, truck drivers out there that got their channel. They post on it all the time. I'd like to, once I get some subscribers going and views and whatnot, I am a trainer with the company I work with now. Excuse me. I'd like to know what y'all's opinion is and know what you guys want to see. What do you want from me? What can I bring to the table to help you guys out? I love teaching, so this would probably be more directed to somebody that may be looking into the trucking industry. What questions you might have. Drop a comment. Let me know. I'll get you the answer. If I ain't got the answer, I know I got buddies of mine that I truck with every day that's been out here 30, 40 years, and them guys, they're a great group of guys, it's a lifestyle, there's a lot of good guys out here in this world. So anyways, cut this short. Stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos little by little once I start feeling better. Hopefully views and subscribers start getting picked up here pretty soon. And I'd love to help any and all of you. With whatever questions you guys got, man. There's no such thing as a stupid question. No such thing. So, I'm hoping to get some better filming equipment. Right now I've been just using the phone, just started doing this thing. Figured, what kind of dent I could put on the world, maybe, one step at a time. So, hey, much love to the drivers that are out there watching this channel. Drive safe, guys. It's getting close to Christmas. Get home safe to your families. You do what you got to do to keep them wheels on the ground and keep it between the mustard and mayonnaise, brothers. Much love. All right, peace.
Thank you.